Hello, hello, hello. We're in a place to be eating with Cherie. And today, guys, we're having Chipotle. It's my first time eating Chipotle. Don't judge me, judge your mama. And I'm with my husband. Say hey.
Salutations.
And for those who don't know who my husband is, his name is KB. So here we are. I have the
Protein bowl.
Protein bowl. Yep, chicken protein bowl. And it has
you got beef on it too, right?
Everything on it, including chicken and beef.
Okay. Well, I just got the chicken protein. I got the regular chicken, cilantro rice, pinto beans, lettuce, pico de gallo. No dairy today. Yeah.
And
and it got spicy chicken on it also.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Let me see. It look good. I want to taste yours because it's on top. Mine's on. How it taste?
Not bad.
Let me see.
I got some kick on it. Flavor there.
Some chips. Okay, so. And I'm used to getting the competitor, so. But, you know, we'll see. We're going to see how I feel about this one. See if they got a returning customer here.
Because Qdoba is good. I give them that.
Yes, they are.
But it seems like their food is a lot heavier. You can't have it like week in, week out. That's something you do like once or twice a month. Because the portions are so healthy and hefty.
You got cilantro rice in here. This is brisket. Even the tofu was looking good. I'm like, what is that?
So is anybody ready for that solar eclipse? Right? I'm not.
I'm not either. It's just
it's the way of the world.
Yeah.
You know. It's the Lord's work. No. Nothing happens without the Lord's permission. But yeah, this is good. I've had it numerous times, but I might have burnt myself out on it.
And I used to be like, baby, I want to try Chipotle. I want to try Chipotle. Like, it's alright.
Yeah, I used to say it was me. I guess the location I went to.
But it's actually pretty good. Yeah, babe. It's hidden.
I guess they wouldn't love it on their food in our location.
Cause this is like, you know, I got both beans, black beans and the pinto beans. I'm thinking about adding any sauce. It'll be too hot.
You got some kick on this spicy chicken though. For sure.
Ooh, I like it though. It's not too much. Oh. Queso. Do they always have queso?
Yeah. They used to charge you extra for it. I'm good on queso.
Okay. I just wanted to get some because we got the chips. It's very flavorful.
It's cleaner. It tastes clean. Tastes clean. You don't get that with a lot of restaurants, especially not, fast food. Not a lot. Very far few between.
Really good. Really good, you guys.
Yeah. Let me get this thing.
What'd you rate it?
I'm about like a 7.9. About a 7.9.
Okay. I give it 8.5. Just not only just how simple and easy it was just to get it going, and sometimes UW would be I ain't gonna say it. Sometimes the competitor be a little messy.
I'm tired of rushing.
Excuse me. That's good. Thanks for joining me, babe.
Oh, yeah, no doubt.
Our little lunch date.
You said you have been wanting to do one.
It's been a whole year since you've been on my channel.
Really? It's been that long?
Yeah.
Whoa. It shouldn't be that long.
It's been a year.
I should pop up at least like once or twice every 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying?
Comment and let me know y'all want to see more of him.
No one see more of me.
Pepsi. Ooh. Hitting. Yes, it's something about them fountain drinks. You got water, hitting. There's something about them fountain drinks, though. Oh my goodness.
There's absolutely no comparison from bottle to fountain. Like, none. Zero. Can't duplicate that.
All that great carbonation.
Almost got myself.
No, I wish I'm gonna eat it and then boom.
And high. Oh, I already spotted that.
Yeah, he's circling around.
I went to Meyer.
Okay.
I saw him when we first started the video. I stay alert.
Oh, always.
Stay alert.
If y'all
Get the radars
if
up.
y'all been on my channel for a while, y'all know I'm always watching my surroundings. This is so good. Yes. Get this over here since you don't want none, baby.
No.
Excuse me. Yes. I eat like this in front of my man.
That spicy chicken trying to do a number on me. I just want to go back to regular chicken. When it comes to spices, I'm a wuss. All this man is big guy, right? Can't do too much spicy. I've never been a spicy person. Or a hot person. Like a little spicy every now and then.
You lying.
This chicken is hot. You spicy.
Yeah.
You hot. I'm talking about this. Mm-hmm.
Well,
I put just the right amount of green peppers in here.
yeah, and that guacamole is so good. It's
See, I ain't
creamy.
even getting no guac.
It's creamy.
I almost got some guac too.
Like fresh.
It's fresh, like they made it in their house.
I hope they did.
So my doctor told me to stay away from the dairy. I think I'm gonna take her advice.
Yeah. And go to places that got like non-dairy products.
Mm-hmm. Like she told me flat out, stop eating cheese, stop eating dairy. I'm like, that's the only thing that I do. Like, I don't drink milk, hate milk. But
Well, we're gonna have to change the way we eat anyways, because we about to do something different.
Yeah. Y'all gonna be tasting some healthy
Y'all
mukbangs.
stay tuned. We just gonna say that.
Yeah. It's a lot brewing.
Yeah.
Y'all about to see a drastic change and a huge growth spurt in this channel. I'm gonna be right behind her. Yep.
Oh.
I always support your partner, whatever they got going. Especially if y'all been through the lowest of the lows together and the trenches, and you know, y'all was both beating y'all knuckles together. Listen, your partner deserves 100% of your support, no matter what. And these police are still up there. I wonder what they did.
Give me sugar. Thank you. That is true. That is true. Woo. Now, they got some brisket up in here, honey. Big brisket.
Oh, I didn't show y'all none of my spoonfuls.
Mm,
Y'all
go.
need a decent one. I can eat this cold.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I can eat this cold.
Mm-hmm. Whoa. Whoa. That right there. I don't know what to say. That look good on it. Well seasoned.
I pushed all of that stuff to the side. It's giving me the blues. I'm telling y'all, I can't do too much spicy.
You should just ask for a tiny bit, baby.
I know, I asked for a little bit, and he is like, damn, like,
Strong arm Joe stuff.
he definitely put some extra on it. I'm sorry, y'all might see me look away. I'm always,
I do too.
my head be on a silly swivel.
Yeah, we is eating, okay? We are eating. Only sitting in a parking lot.
In Taylor, Michigan.
Say no more.
You already know how they get
I'm starting to get full.
Me too.
Well, you guys, that concludes us in the video. No, we didn't talk about much. We just came out here to eat lunch with y'all.
Yep.
And I want to show my husband's handsome face again, because I miss him so much in my videos.
How many videos was that? 4?
I don't know. We're about 3, 4.
Yeah.
Excuse me. But it's been a minute.
It's been a while.
Thanks for gracing us with your presence. And I love you.
I love you too, my heart.
And I love you guys. And you have a beautiful day. And just remember, if you cannot see the light at the end of the tunnel, take a look at yourself in the mirror. You are the light. Mwah. Bye.